So we've got some really cool custom side engine covers that we're gonna put on the Captain America C8. And Bad Boy Vets did them just like they did my engine cover.
These are the guys that did your engine cover, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we... Oh, wow.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am back over here at Mark's house. Say hello to Mark.
Hey guys, hello.
So we've got some really cool custom side engine covers that we're gonna put on the Captain America C8. And I think you guys are gonna really like these covers. I think you know what I'm talking about, but I wanna make sure. And everybody else might not know either.
So
they cover this area.
this part, right?
Yeah, that whole area. And then that whole area. And Bad Boy Vets did them just like they did my engine
These
cover.
are the guys that did your engine cover, right?
Yes.
All right, let's see what we... Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, it's painted the red and blue just like your car.
Yeah, man.
That is nice.
Isn't that awesome?
Look at the finish on the red. Oh my gosh.
I think it's torch red.
Yeah.
Pretty sure
That's
the color.
good. Oh, that's going to match the engine beautifully.
Yeah,
Look
check
at
it
that.
out. Check it out.
Yeah. Oh, he's got Brink of Speed on there.
Yeah. And then
Wow.
Bad Boy Vets.
Bad Boy Vets.
And then he's got a little logo right here.
Look at the detail. Look at the indentation for the screw and everything. Very nice.
Wow. Isn't that awesome?
That is great. You guys, one for each side, right?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Very nice.
There's the other side.
All right, let's bring them out there. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is what we're going to be installing today. It should be a pretty fast installation. So real quick before we get into that, if you have not smashed that thumbs up button, please do so. Give Mark and I a big thumbs up, especially Mark because he's letting us use his garage as usual. And his tools. And then also, if you haven't joined the Brink of Speed community, make sure you smashing that red subscribe button and the bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. All right, let's jump into it and get these things installed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm interrupting this video real quick because I forgot to mention that this Saturday at Texas Motor Speedway, I'm gonna be in the Bad Boy Vets booth with the Captain America C8. So if you're gonna be in the area, you wanna stop by Texas Motor Speedway to the Corvette Classic, I will be there, again, in the booth with Bad Boy Vets. All right, let's get back to the video. So I think there's only 3 screws on each side. You got these 2 here, and then 1 right here.
So this is my set of
Stars.
tamper-resistant bit set. So if you ever wanted to get into something you're not supposed to, so you got star bits and you got the hollow, you know.
Oh, okay.
So it's
CRVT40. Oh, yeah. That's gigantic.
I think we're gonna drop the engine with that bolt.
Seriously?
Damn, that
is gigantic.
Well, that is, you know, the engine brace. It's not there for show. I mean, that's an engine brace. So
we put some rubber
grommet,
like grommets on these screws. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Because otherwise this screw is gonna really chip that paint. And so let's see if this goes on smoothly.
Looks
like
slow.
it fits perfect.
Not going hard.
Oh.
Go slow. You know what? I think I'm going to use my hand. I want to go use my hand so I can feel what I'm doing.
Yeah, that makes sense. Is that one? That one there. Right there. So does it feel like
it's squishing down the grommet, giving a nice seal.
Good.
Really kind of a nice look to it actually with the grommet.
It actually is. So the only thing that I'm a little bit concerned about, I just hope that doesn't rattle.
The rubber grommets, I think, are going to isolate it.
Yeah.
And this is not hitting anything, so I don't think that that's going to, any more than this is going to rattle or, you know?
Sure. Sure.
I think it should be good.
Okay.
All right, let's get the other grommets on the other 3
Yep,
bolts.
let's do it. And so just so you guys know, I bought an assorted thing of grommets at, it's actually a washer kit, at a Home Depot, and we went with the 3/8 washer. And
The hole, it's not ideal. The hole is a little bit on the small side, but I think it's making a nice, good, strong fit. So it just takes a little bit of pressure to get it in there. Elbow grease to get it in there. And then once you get it on, I would just go like this and just kind of.
so that one's on there, as you can see.
I'm just putting a little dab of oil on it just to lube it up a little bit.
Cool.
All right, this should go even quicker
Yeah.
because we've done the other side.
Man, that's already looking amazing.
Yeah, no, that looks great now that I'm standing back and looking at it.
Yeah.
That looks great. The red matches the
Oh
red.
yeah. And guys, as you know, Bad Boy Vets did that engine cover, and they've also done these covers. And these things are just gorgeous. Got the Bad Boy Vet emblem right there. Stingray, Brink Up Speed. And it's just beautiful.
All right, now I'm gonna go by hand.
You want me to do it?
No, let me go by hand.
Okay.
Because I did
Right
the
here,
other
right
side.
here. Yeah, you got the feel.
I have the feel for it. I don't want to go too tight.
Sure.
I mean, this is not a structural piece. It's an appearance piece, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I like the way the grommets are squishing down. It's giving it a nice,
Yeah, it seems like it's perfect.
or washers, I think you called it washers. So,
Yeah, that's what it says on the thing.
that's it, man.
Wow.
That looks great.
Look at that, guys. That is awesome. Beautiful. So there you have it. Very fast install. The only thing that took a little bit of time was putting those washers on the giant thick screws, but or bolts, I guess is what they were. But that's really it. And if you're interested in something like this for your C8, make sure to look in the description below. All of Bad Boy Vet's information will be down there. His name is James, and he takes great care of you. So give him a call, and you can go on their website, and they have a C8 section where you can find a bunch of this stuff. It's not the easiest to navigate, but you can find it. But if not, just give him a call, and he'll hook you up with whatever you need. He has side skirts, front splitters, all that stuff for C8s. And I think they even have wheels on there now too. So he's got quite a bit of stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's going to do it. It's getting dark on us. Thanks again to Mark. Give us a big thumbs up. And hope to see each and every one of you guys out on the road.